July 9, 2015, a day that would become one of the darkest and most defining chapters for China's human rights lawyers. What began overnight quickly expanded into a nationwide operation, affecting countless lawyers and legal advocates across China. Human rights lawyers, legal assistants, and civil society advocates were reportedly arbitrarily detained across the country during coordinated overnight operations. Represented politically sensitive cases involving freedom of expression, religion, labor rights, and vulnerable communities. According to numerous reports, more than 300 people were affected in a sweeping nationwide legal crackdown across China overnight within days. The crackdown in China intensified global concerns over judicial independence, legal safeguards, and whether the rule of law could remain protected. For many families, loved ones vanished from public view, leaving unanswered questions, uncertainty, and lasting emotional pain. Some detainees in China were reportedly held under residential surveillance at a designated location, raising concerns over legal protections. Critics argued prolonged detention restricted access to lawyers, families, and essential legal protections for many individuals. Human rights organizations raised concerns about due process and legal protections. Many courtrooms fell quieter as numerous legal advocates reportedly disappeared from public life, leaving lasting questions unanswered worldwide. Their stories continue inspiring remembrance, reflection, and renewed conversations about justice, human dignity, and legal protections across the world. The events in China drew sustained international attention, prompting continued discussion about human rights and legal protections. Journalists and legal experts continued documenting developments in China, highlighting ongoing concerns about due process. Behind every case in China were families waiting, hoping for answers, peaceful reunions, and justice to prevail with dignity someday. Many lawyers' voices became difficult to hear, leaving families and communities seeking answers, justice, accountability, and hope. The events continue shaping global debates about justice, accountability, and the enduring importance of the rule of law worldwide today. Young lawyers continue the future generation studying legal principles, carrying forward justice, independence, and the importance of the rule of law. Thousands of candles preserve the memories of those affected, reminding the world that truth, justice, and hope can endure beyond silence. The pursuit of justice continues beyond any single courtroom, carrying hope, fairness, dignity, and the promise of a brighter future. Across borders, legal professionals stand united, defending due process, fundamental rights, and justice through global solidarity, cooperation, and shared commitment. A just society grows stronger when justice remains transparent, rights are protected, and laws are applied fairly for all people everywhere. 11 years later, the 709 crackdown remains a defining moment in global discussions about human rights and the rule of law. On this anniversary in China, we remember those affected by the crackdown and highlight the continuing struggle for justice, rights, and dignity.